guys, if you're getting grill marks on your food and it isn't because you have a hot fire, that's disgusting. Clean your grill up. Cleaning your grill can be the most important thing that you do for prepping to cook. Apparently it's the most overlooked thing in prepping to cook as well. A lot of us don't do it, not nearly enough. How appetizing is it to see somebody cooking on a flat top or on a smoker with all that gunk built up on the grates or on the flat top? It's not seasoning, it's gross. And you know what? I've been guilty of not doing it enough either. Let's take a look at how to get that done on our Weber kettle. Let's get it cleaned out, cleaned up, presentable, and cooking nice again. The first thing we're gonna do is scrape down the grates. I like to use a spatula with this, get all the big stuff off, and then go after it with a wadded up piece of foil to get all that good big gunky stuff off. We're gonna do the top grate, remove it, set it to the side, and then we're gonna do the ash grate as well. Remove it, set it to the side, and then lastly, we're gonna scrape everything inside with a, you can use a putty knife or a spatula. It's just something, make sure it's plastic so you're not scraping into the enamel or the coating on your grill. Let's get all that big, hard, chunky stuff off. Get it nice and scrubbed down with a, like I said, a plastic spatula or putty knife. From there, we're going to hit every surface with a good cleaner. Now you can use a degreaser or an oven cleaner. Now be careful with those super heavy duty aerosol oven cleaners. If you got any chips or anything in your enamel or paint, it could lead to some bad situations and the rust on the grates. I don't like using them personally. This Wyman stove and oven cleaner has been working extremely well for me lately, and I like to coat every surface with this, whether it's the lid, the cook surface, the grill grates, the coal grates. Every inch of this smoker, of this grill, is going to get coated with this. I like to do this in the yard. It does get a little bit dirty, but we're going to rinse it off when we're done anyway, so no big deal. It'll just wash the dirt and the grass off when we're finished. So let's get this coated down, let it set, see how this works. Rinse it off, and we'll get it seasoned up, ready to cook again. Now that we've got everything scraped down, scrubbed down, cleaned up, and rinsed off, we need to go ahead and re-season this grill just like it was when it was new. Got our paper towels. I like to use grapeseed oil. I like to get everything covered very nicely and keep it warm for about an hour or so. Remember guys, if you're getting grill marks on your food and it isn't because you have a hot fire, that's disgusting. Clean your grill up. You'll thank me later. All those burnt pieces aren't adding any extra flavor. They're actually adding a little bit of bitterness And let's just face it, that's gross. Clean your grills up. Hey, tell me how you clean your grills and how often you clean your grills. This one, I probably need to do this twice a year, just with how often I use it. If you're not using it very often, once a year would be good enough. Tell me about yours, your process, how you like to do it down below. I love you guys. Drink more water.